Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. The first item is, let's do this one, dun 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 dun. Unfortunately, we need to do this once in a while, a card that says with sympathy. So here we're offering the words with sympathy, 4 dies total because we give you the shadow dies as well. And the nice thing about this with sympathy is you can do it on top like that, or you could do them side by side. So I always try to give you lots and lots of options. Now, my trick with sympathy cards is when you're up and you're happy and you don't need a sympathy card, that's when you make sympathy cards. Because when you need a sympathy card, you really don't want to have to make a sympathy card at the time. So make a whole bunch of with sympathy cards when you don't need them. Then, boom, you have them when you need them. Isn't that perfect? I know it is. And I have more samples of that one in just a second. Also, those of you that are in our kit club have been getting quite a few A1 sized card bases. A1. Is that crazy or what? I know it's awesome. Our card kit is amazing. We just keep putting more and more stuff in there, but we're not raising the price. It's just amazing. And once you're in the club, no matter what, you're locked in at that price. Your price can't even go up no matter what we put in the club. So it's even better because you're grandfathered in at that price. Boom, price lock. It'll never go up. Are you ready? Now, the last time I released an A1 background die, it sold out within, I think, 2 hours. So I'm just saying. This is the dotted flower background A1 size. Now you're saying, okay. Well, this is what it would look like when it's die cut. So there's an A1 on top of an A2, but that's gonna give you the idea. It's the cute little stitched die flower. I'm sorry, it's the stitched flower, and it looks so adorable. It's 5 petals and it's awesome. That's in the A1 size. Also releasing for our A1 lovers, an envelope liner die. So you already have the A1 envelope die. A lot of you have already bought it. Now this is gonna be the liner die, meaning here is the envelope die itself, right? And now you can decorate the inside. We highly recommend you use for your envelope the text weight paper because it's a lot thinner and it won't be so hard to fold for your envelope. But there is one of the options. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have this flower, you have the plaid, and you have the dots. Or you could do nothing, which is even more fun because then you have so many different options. So there's that, right? Lastly, and I have more samples. Lastly, we are releasing, boom, a family fold-it die. How many times have you needed just a family fold-it die? Look how cute that is. Rain or shine, family. We are in this together. Isn't that awesome? Sometimes you just want someone to know, especially when they're not a family member, that, hey, I consider you part of my family. You're in my family, right? I have a lot of friends like that where I'm like, you're not my friend, you're more than that. You're my family, right? And sometimes we have to make our own family. So there you go. And I have lots of samples. Are you ready? Let's get set. Let's start with our with sympathy. Look at how beautiful that is. That's without the shadow die. So lots of options on this one. This is with the shadow die, with sympathy. And here it is on an A1 size card. Lots of options, 3 different sizes here of card base, and they fit perfect on every size, right? We even had it on the slim line as well. 4 different sizes just in samples right there. It's amazing. Now here is that A1 background die. And I wish I could show you this one in person because all of those dots, and I'll try to move it like this so you can really see those stitch lines, they are awesome. Fits perfect, of course, on our A1. Now let's look at our envelope liner dies. Look at that fun plaid. Don't you love it? Here's a cute one with the stitched flower. Love it. Let's keep moving. Here is one. Oh, there's that stitched flower one, which I absolutely love. And let's see what else we got in here. Oh, more stitched flower. More stitched flower backgrounds. I absolutely love it. Here's a cute one. Whoops, where is it? Here's a cute one just using part of that stitched flower on the inside. Then let's see. Here we go. Using the stitched flower on a bigger card, but you can make it for the background. Oh, we have lots of these. Look how cute. Okay, look how gorgeous that is. Hello, beautiful, with the stitched flower in the background. Here it is again, the stitched flower in the background. Gotta make sure I'm not missing anything here. Now, let's look at the family. What? Look at this. Sheila made this one. Family with the little lamb sticking out over there. So cute. Here's a cute one with a zigzag border. Family. So beautiful. Let's do that one last because it's so cute. Here's a fun one. Family. And you get lots of layers on that family die, so you're going to be able to do a lot. Friends are our chosen family. You are my family. So this is using the Little Peep sheep stamps, flowers to layer stamps and dies, and of course 3D inks. And Cheryl even wrote 3D inks, ... of course. Yes, of course, Cheryl. You're awesome. Here is family from our from our family. Christmas is the most wonderful time of the year. Isn't that beautiful? Here's a cute one with little flowers. Oh, I think this is a sneak peek. Yes, it is a sneak peek. Those little flowers. You're gonna love those little flowers. Sneak peek, sneak peek. Family, open that up. Sending hugs across the miles. And I'm gonna put this one over here because that's a sneak peek for something else. And I'm excited you got to see that. Okay, here's a fun family. Love it. Now, Michelle made this one. Family. She also used penguins to stamp, wattle penguins to stamp, and the peekaboo rectangles. Are you ready? Nothing on the inside except what'll I do without you, but ready? The peekaboo rectangles. Dun dun dun, it's this little window. Are you ready? You're gonna open it up and look who's hiding back there, and they are saying hello. Isn't that stinking adorable? Look at how fun that is. You would never know it, but there's this little hidden window that you're gonna open. That's why we call it peekaboo, and there they are. So much fun. Club members, come on. You know the deal. You know the drill. Discounts on all of these items. Of course, you're gonna also earn your club points. You're gonna get your club anniversary gift certificates when you've been in the club a year. And if you're not in the club, oh, did you know there are some customers, let me just tell you, there are some customers that aren't club people. I don't wanna be in a club. I don't wanna be tied down to a club. First of all, monthly commitment's only 3 months. We figure by then you'll be able to check us out and decide if you like us. After 3 months, you can cancel at any time. You just go onto our website and say cancel, okay? But I have people, I see orders come through and they order because they like that release. And then they order this release. And then they order this release. And they would save probably $40 a month minimum if they were a club member. But they'd rather pay that $40 and give it to Ken and Stephanie. Why? Why? It's cheaper, even if you don't like stamps. We have people that don't even stamp, that join the stamp club to get the stamps, to get the discount on everything else. For example, did I show you one stamp set just now? No, but people love dies. So they join the stamp set to get that 15% discount all over here on all of our releases on everything. Imagine doing that. Genius, right? I know, it's awesome. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.